Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to Digital Dynamo. So today in this video I will teach you how you can find your next topic for next video for your tech channel. Here is some tricks to find topic for next video. I'll explain in this video. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates. Please follow on our Facebook page. First of all, the first way is just open your YouTube channel and be sure that you have only tech channel. It's not work on any food channel, any recipe channel, any vlogging channel, any other channel. Because I want to show you just about tech channels, how they find their content. First of all, the first method and very popular method is that just search here how to just search there how. Let's see how to sell Pi coins, how to use Pi network, how to Pakistan, how to earn Mr. How to get money in Pakistan. All my searches is algorithm showing me these all are the topics. How to download Instagram Reels videos, how to delete Instagram account, how to earn money. So these are the topics how we find. And the second is the most common way is that no one's tell you, but I'll tell you, which is so creative and something. I'll search here. Just open any expert YouTube video like this and I'll turn off it and go to the comment section. And yeah, now you can see just find in the comment sections what people want. If your video is on how to earn money, the people want, please search share in next video which website is best. You will just reply them and tell him my this video is available on my YouTube channel. You can watch it in high quality. This is the easiest way where you can find your next topic. Just open 3 to 5 videos and open comment sections where you can see any comment which is about your topic. So Allah Hafiz, we will meet in the next video and bye bye, take care.